Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to make these car display or showcase stands that are usually found in like dealerships or something, but you could, yeah. So first you're gonna need some cardboard, scissors that you probably want scissors that could cut cardboard easily, or you can also use an X-Acto knife, but then obviously the car, but then some, you don't have to do this, but I like to do it because I think it adds a little bit more detail. It's some thin white painter's tape. Doesn't have to be white, it can be any color you want. And it can be rainbow for whoever cares. But so first you're gonna start off by putting the car on the cardboard. And obviously you don't want it all cramped up. You want it to, like, the car to have some more room, like these. As you can see here, there's more room. So, set that to the side. So you're gonna want it like this. And then you get it, put the car on there, so you can, like, get an understanding of how it's gonna be. And then cut it the length that you want. Usually I do like a little bit longer than the car, but then once you've done that, you can get that. So now you have a little stand, and you don't really have to do this, but this is something that I like to do. I like to take the tape and outline it some. It's like pull, put on, pull, put on there, stretch, tape, break, and then you can either cut the excess off or just fold it to be taped under there. So now you're gonna want to do that the whole way around. And you don't have to do it in this exact way. Just remember, this is your project that you want to do. You can do it however your heart desires, but this is like how I like to do it. And now, when you're making these, they can be any size that you want, but you usually would try and go for a size that fits the car, because if you're going to be like displaying it in a dealership, you wouldn't want it to be as big as the dealership, and it's only going to put one car on it. But, so here's the finishing product. Then the car can go on it. And now you have a perfect car stand. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And remember that I post weekly, and I've been thinking, if you absolutely smash that subscribe button and smash the life out of that like button, I will think about doing a face reveal. It's your choice, guys. So if you want me to, then you gotta like. 3. Okay. Bye, guys. See you in another video.